In 12 seconds, the Pixel 11 will be here. We'll buy it together from the Google store, and I'll tell you in advance, we'll pay 389 euros for it, a Pixel 11 Pro. Let's go ahead and book it right now by clicking the book button at the top right. The first thing we need to do is choose the type of phone, the format, so either the Pixel 11 Pro or the Pixel 11 Pro XL. In my case, I'll choose the Pixel 11 Pro. I think I'll go ahead and choose the color now. I'll try this matte pink option. And let's move on to this year's rather difficult choice. Why is the choice so difficult, you ask? Well, it's because we have 256 gigabytes with 12 gigabytes of RAM or 512 gigabytes with 16 gigabytes of RAM. If you're planning to use a lot of AI features and use the device quite heavily, you should definitely get the one with 16 gigabytes of RAM. And let's go straight to doing the trade-in. As Google has consistently accustomed us to seeing in recent years, with this very convenient and straightforward procedure, we can easily trade in our previous smartphone to get a significant discount on the new one. In this specific case, for my Pixel 11 Pro, I could receive up to 980 euros in total cashback. Let's see right away how much my immaculate Google Pixel 10 Pro will be valued. Remember, I bought it last year. There's a video on my channel. Manufacturer naturally will need to enter Google. And then we'll go ahead and choose the new Pixel 10 Pro model. The storage capacity of the old Pixel to be traded in, 256 gigs in this case. Google asks us if the phone is in good condition. Naturally, my phone is perfect. I will open the PCS wireless terms for a moment, which reserves the right, as it does every year, to inspect, evaluate, and potentially modify the trade-in value upon receiving the device. Everything is perfect. I click yes. And by doing so, I accept the PCS wireless terms and conditions and I add the trade-in to my order. As you can clearly see, I'm able to get a 790 euros immediate discount on the purchase of the new Pixel 11 Pro. Additionally, you can buy the brand new Pixel Watch 5 for 439 euros with an 80 euros discount. However, I don't really need it, so I won't buy it. I'll just say no thanks to the Pixel Watch 5. And as you can see, the total amount the Pixel would currently cost me is just 539 euros. But I'll continue with the checkout process because there will be an additional 150 euros discount that I'll have to enter manually using a special coupon we obtained earlier. Everyone who had signed up for the official Google Store waiting page received one directly in their email with a different value, not 150 euros for everyone, but in my case it was 150 euros. We've put everything in the cart. Let's go to checkout and enter this code I was telling you about. It tells me shipping between August 20th and 21st to my home address. It already informs me about the trade-in of the Google Pixel 10 Pro estimated at 790 euros, and it tells me that I must return the device within 30 days. Here, this is where you enter the payment methods. At the bottom, you enter the promotional code. I'm pasting it from my email. And voila, for just 389 euros, you get the Google Pixel 11 Pro that just came out, featuring 512 gigabytes of storage and 16 gigabytes of RAM. So if we exclude the XL model from the mix, it is easily the best Google Pixel of this year. Actually, for me, it is the best Pixel simply because those larger XL models just aren't the right fit for me. Let's proceed with placing the order. Identity verification from my bank, which we'll cut out. And here we are. It's time to celebrate. It is a party. Yes, we actually went ahead and bought the new Pixel 11 Pro. It was really, truly a fantastic deal at 1,329, especially with the trade-in of last year's Pixel 10 Pro. Plus, we got a 150 euro voucher given by Google to everyone who signed up for the Pixel 11 Pro waiting list. It is a variable voucher though. Some friends told me they got about 100 euros and some friends even mentioned lower amounts, but I honestly do not know enough about the specifics of that just yet at the moment. We'll talk about it in the comments if anything. Did you receive it? In that case, let me know. So, what do you think? Will you buy this Pixel 11 Pro for 389 euros? It's a great deal. Don't miss out on it. Bye from Antonio Camerino. As always, if my videos are useful to you, leave me a like, subscribe to the channel, and recommend me to your friends. Bye.